Have you ever thought to yourself, man, I wish I had more dresses or skirts, more ways to just punch up this boring outfit? How could I get more wear out of the wardrobe that I already own? Well, have you ever considered using tights? Oops, I mean tights. Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel. My name is Rocky. Today we are doing something a little cool. Every day we're doing something very cool, but today again is no different. I started out by talking about tights, right? Most of us have a finite amount of things in our wardrobes, and you may really like a piece, but you feel uncomfortable re-wearing it because you think, what will people say if they recognize that I've been wearing the same thing every week over and over again? Well, I have a simple solution, very inexpensive solution to how you can multiply your wardrobe exponentially by using just a few dollars. Like seriously, just using a few dollars. And of course, as you already can tell, that is with tights. I'm going to show you a few ways to wear the same outfits and you'll be like, oh my gosh, I could totally do that. I could totally rock that. And it only cost me another, $5 to turn my entire outfit into something unrecognizable. So if you've ever struggled with wanting to wear the same pieces over and over, but not feel boring or not make people think that you don't have any other clothes, tights are your friend. Let's get right into it. I'm going out with my girlfriends and this is usually one of my favorite looks. Having the shorts, show my legs with some heels, and just something very simple up top, but a lot of coverage so that I'm not doing too much top and bottom. But it's a little chilly outside, and I just wore the same outfit with some of my girlfriends maybe a month ago. And I may or may not have taken some pictures for Instagram. So what do I do? How do I punch this up? But this is something that I really, really want to wear, and I don't have another pair of shorts that look like this, but let's see what I can do. So I chose some embellished tights to finish off my look. I am fully covered, but I still look like I am a part of the nightlife. I have a little warmth because it is cold, and this looks different enough to me that this would be a different outfit. So why not punch up your outfit with a cute pair of embellished tights, and no one will be none the wiser. So let me know what you think about this change up, this look. This is a cute, playful mini skirt. I've already worn this before. It's kind of chilly. And this week where I'm going is a little bit inappropriate to have all this leg out. So what can I do to switch up the look but still be kind of cute and make it look different enough so that my Instagram followers won't say, gosh, she does not have anything else to wear. Why does she keep posting the same outfits? So maybe a pair of tights could turn this wow outfit into a pretty cute outfit. So I find that pattern tights usually do the trick when I'm trying to be playful and just kind of take the sexy level down on an outfit. So these are pattern tights. They are actually sweater tights, as a matter of fact, but I feel like this has made this a completely playful, it's still a little sexy because the skirt is barely there, but at the same time it adds a bit of modesty and it has changed my entire look. Now, pattern tights are not for everybody. I get that. So you don't necessarily have to be patterned. You can definitely pick one of the colors in this outfit. You can always do black tights to keep it sleek, simple, and classy, to continue the pattern from above down below. But for me, I chose to do a pattern tight, and that way it definitely gives a little bit of extra character to this, otherwise pretty sexy and commonplace outfit. In love with a piece that maybe shows a bit too much? I mean, we all have those things that when you stand still, it looks great, but then when you walk, you have a bit too much on show, or if you make a sudden move, whoops, a little bit too much on show. So one of the answers for an outfit that shows a bit too much, but you're completely in love with it, would be some tights. I'm going to show you 2 ways that you could rock this skirt with tights to make it a completely different look. A really neat idea would be to rock this monochromatic look. I've just taken a darker shade of this olive green skirt and put the tights underneath. So it kind of makes you look long, lean, continuous, sleek, classic, and it's a completely different look. And now as I walk, there are no oops, no mistakes. I can be as free as I like with this skirt. So if you're thinking of a way to make a piece look more modest, definitely layering something underneath that's the same color can achieve what you're trying to accomplish. And in this case, since today is about tights, we are doing it on this skirt with these tights. What do you think? Another way to accomplish a different look would be to use contrasting colors. Now, whether you're just doing it to be eye-catching, to show something a little bit different, or to represent your favorite team, your sorority, there are so many reasons and so many different combinations that you could use to contrast the piece that you're wearing. I chose a little, like a pastel pink here, but again, it accomplishes the same thing. I don't have any accidents when I'm walking. I'm a bit modest. I have a layer of warmth. And I thought just to pick this color just to show you something completely different from the monochromatic look. What do you think of the contrast? And lastly, what about the ripped jeans that you love? Is it too cold? Is it too ripped? Have you worn them all the time and people are tired of seeing you wearing those same ripped jeans? What could we do to kind of use tights in this scenario? So in this case, I have popped on a pair of red tights underneath. I think it gives it a little something extra, little interest. So, and it's not as risque and daring. You're not showing a bunch of skin and all that good stuff, which is totally okay. You guys know how I roll. But if there's a scenario where you're going somewhere and you really want to wear these ripped up jeans or jeans like this, but you don't want to be offensive, tights is a great way to change that look and make it a bit more modest, give you another layer of warmth, and change your outfit, make it look completely different. Other ways that you can do this is to wear tights that are a similar color or in the same color family. You can wear them that look exactly like this, darker or lighter, and it'll also sort of give you a sleeker, more classic look, even though the jeans are completely destroyed. So let me know what you think about this look. So I've just shown you several looks where you could change your entire outfit with just a little pop of color from the tights. So let me know what you think. I do this all the time and I don't even realize that I've been doing this, like sort of multiplying my wardrobe exponentially with just a few dollars by just changing it with a little look, with a little pair of tights. And so for those of us who are leaning towards being minimalist, this is a great idea for you. You can definitely wear the same pieces over and over again, but with little changes, little pops of color, you can totally revamp that outfit into something completely different. So if you've ever stared and sat in your closet, like, you know that look, where everything is thrown around your closet, you're there in your bra and your panties, and you're like, I have nothing to wear. And I challenge you and I say, lies. Because if you just grab tights, all of your tights, and just kind of rework the things that you've already been wearing, I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with the combinations that you can come up with. So that brings us to the end. Let me know what you thought of this video. Would you like to see more like it? If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Beep, 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 beep. And share it with your friends. That's the way we'll grow together. Hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what some of your faves were here. And then also let me know if this is a style that you've already been doing, kind of popping tights with all of your clothes. If this is something that you'll try now that you've seen this video, hit the like button, leave me a comment, and come back soon. Bye.